This is Best from Best Review Warriors. Hello and welcome to my Puma products review. In this video, I'll be walking you through this new product called Puma products. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell notification and like this video. But before I do this, let me share with you the bonuses you will get if you buy Puma products through this page. The bonuses you will get are Affiliate Ad Pro. Create your own unique brand online. 5 ways to generate free traffic. The Awakening. Snowball traffic. How to build a landing page. Work Smart Business. Instant content creator. The Secret Weapon. And several other current bonuses that I have here for you that will help you scale up the skills that you get from these Puma products. So what is this Puma products all about? Puma products is a class of its own step-by-step video training program because it shows you exactly how to go about creating, launching, and selling your products. This training comprises of over 27 training videos. In addition, you learn everything from how to create your product from scratch and how to list it for sale on Warrior Pros. Similarly, you learn how to list your product on MunchEye. In case you don't know what MunchEye is, this training covers everything you need to know about it. Furthermore, in these Puma products, you are taught how to get affiliates to promote your products. Also, you get exposed to how to sell your product yourself using free traffic methods. This is essential, especially where it is not guaranteed that you will get some mega affiliates to promote your product, especially if you are still new to product launches. Also, you learn how to promote affiliate contests that guarantee that your product gets decent promotion and possible sales. One thing this Puma product is that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and the product creator does not portray it as such. Now, a little about the product creator, Dawood Islam, in the whole of 2018, made 0 sales in affiliate commissions. But as at March 2020, Dawood Islam is recording in excess of $20,000 per month. And how was he able to do this? The bulk of his commission is coming from product launches, and that is why he has taken it upon himself to open the eyes of affiliates on what it takes to launch a product and the benefits that one would derive launching one's own products. In fact, the Puma product is a one-stop shop because it holds the key if you want to successfully get into product creation, launching, and sales. As shown by Dawood Islam, your earnings will go up more than 5 times if you are able to get into product creation and launches yourself. So now, let me take you into the members area of the Puma products. Now, when you sign into the Puma products, this is essentially what the members area will look like. You have your dashboard, your support, and of course, you have your logout. Here you have the welcome, where Dawood Islam welcomes you into the members area. And you have the overview, which tells you everything about this Puma product. Then you now get into the main training session, and here Dawood Islam takes you by hand from introduction to the training, how to choose your product ideas, how to name your products so that when you launch such products, having it rank on search engines in such a way that you do not have similar names competing with your products, so that you have more exposure and possible sales for you as a product creator and for your affiliates. Here, he also takes you through how to design your logo, how to list your product on MunchEye. Pick up this product and see for yourself how that would break down everything concerning product launching. Then you also have the designing. It takes you through how to design your sales page. There you have in 4 parts. It shows you how to produce your upsells. For a fact, this training serves as Dawood preparing for his next product launch. So essentially, he's showing you exactly what he does when it comes to launching his products. So he also shows you how he prepares his thank you pages, how he prepares his JV pages, and how he lists his products on Warrior Plus, because most of his successes have been recorded on the Warrior Plus platform. If you stay with me further, I will show you some proof of his income earnings. So he shows you how to make your JV page, how to complete the product, then of course, how to get affiliates to promote your product. Here in one of the bonuses I'm offering you, which is the Affiliate Ad Pro, it shows you step by step how you can get affiliates to effectively promote your products. Also, it shows you how to create affiliate contests, as contests help in getting affiliates to be more engaged in promoting your products and making more sales. And he does not end there. He also shows you how to drive traffic to your own offers, because if you leave the promotion of this product solely to your affiliates, chances are that you may not get the super affiliates to promote, especially as a complete beginner. And if you do not promote it yourself, you may have a hard time. Also, that would shows you resources on how to build a JV page, and there you have the conclusions and the bonuses, which I will highlight later when we look at the sales page. I have personally gone through this step-by-step training program, and I can tell you the sheer value of content in this product is immense. And for an early bird price of $7.95, this is a complete no-brainer. So, if you think this product is for you, simply click on the link in the description below, and it will take you to a review and bonus page that looks exactly like this. Once you scroll down and click on this button, it will take you to the sales page that will look exactly like this. And once you scroll down the sales page and then click on any of these buttons, you will get access to buy these Puma products. So now let us run through the sales page. So, want to learn how I earn 20k per month launching my own products? Are you ready to finally get real results? Launching your own product is actually very easy. I launch 2 every single month. Instead of competing against every other affiliate when you sell other people's products, have them compete instead to sell your products, and which is completely true. And this is the strategy that Dawood has deployed that has seen him go from $0 commission in the whole of 2018 to now earning over $20,000 per month in March 2020. So you won't find any hype here. No promises of instant results. Just great over-the-shoulder training showing you what actually works, which is true, as I have showed you from the several videos that are in this product. So you read this before going any further. Here, Dawood tells you exactly the challenge of selling other people's products without creating your own. So you can actually take the time and go through and see exactly what works. As I promised you, I will show you his proof of earnings, and here they are. This is March 2020. You can see here in the last 30 days, Dawood has earned over $20,000, which wasn't the case when he was only promoting as an affiliate. So, you can take the time and read the sales page further and see for yourself the other things that are contained here. So, if you think this product is for you, simply click on the link in the description below, and it will take you to our bonus page where you scroll down, click on this button, and it will take you to the product sales page. Scroll down the sales page and you will see this button. Click on it and you have access to buy this product. So now, why should you get Puma products? Firstly, this training has every information you need in one place to get into product creation, launches, and sales. As a result, you can begin to build your affiliate business. Likewise, it shows you how to create products at the least possible cost. Secondly, instead of joining in the struggle to sell other vendors' products, other affiliates instead sell your products. Thirdly, you can rapidly build a buyer list, and afterward, this will help increase your profitability in subsequent product launches that you promote. Furthermore, the product creator who earns in excess of $20,000 as of March 2020 has achieved this feat predominantly through product creation. Also, you will get additional bonuses inside the members area, including the vendor's free traffic generation training, which will help you in the journey to success. Don't forget, you also get our own unique bonuses. Now let me show you the bonuses that the vendor has put together for you when you pick this product. The vendor is offering you 5 unique bonuses: the breakthrough, Fuego breakout, 7 top niches online, review site secrets, and the CPA income crushers. These bonuses you will find inside the members area when you pick up this product. Here, you will find the bonuses. And I tell you, these bonuses will help you in smashing product creation, launches, and sales. So the benefits of launching your own product far outweighs whatever benefit you think you get promoting as an affiliate. Also, part of the reason why you should get this Puma product is the vendor is giving you free traffic generation training, and this will help you in your journey to success. In addition, the training takes you through how to effectively promote your own products and enhance your profits. Finally, this product comes with a 30 days money back guarantee. So if for any reason after purchase you do not like the product, you can return it and have your money back. So there's absolutely no risk, as if for any reason you don't like this product and you ask for refund within 30 days, you can have your money. So this is a complete no-brainer. But I tell you, you will find no reason why you want to return this product. Let me take you through the sales funnel. The front end of the Puma product comes at an early bird price of $7.95, and the following day, the price will be going up to $9.95. So as you can see here, this review video is taking place the following day, and that is why the price is going for $9.95. So even at $9.95, this product is a complete no-brainer. So what do you get? You get basically everything I have showed you in the front end. In addition to the 5 congruent bonuses, you also get my bonuses when you pick up the front end of this product. Then you have the OTO1, which is the bargain bundle and is going for $37. Here you get all 8 of the vendor's previous products for a one-time crazy low price. And the products are Cash List Creator, Muka Mula, Tiger's Traffic, Panda Profits, Eagle Emails, Leopard List, Cougar Commissions, and Internet Marketing Alphabet. In the OTO2, which is guaranteed to promote, the product creator guarantees to promote your launch, subject to agreeing on a suitable date, and bring you the firepower of up to 50 additional sales to get you off to a flying start with your product. Again, this is entirely up to you if you want to get the product creator, which is Dawood, to guarantee that he will promote your launch. Then the OTO3, which is the quadruple reseller rights. You sell Puma products and 3 of vendors' previous products, that is Internet Marketing Alphabet, Cougar Commissions, and Leopard Lists as your own, and you keep 100% of the commissions across the entire funnel. Then we have the OTO4, which is done for you setup and is going for $197. The vendor will check all of your pages for you and set up your product on Warrior Plus for you. Don't leave anything to chance. Make sure your first launch is a huge success. Here you'll be capitalizing on the experiences this vendor has had in launching products to make sure yours has a fail-safe mechanism. Then you have the OTO5, which is the launch a product with me. This is limited to only 5 persons and is going for $197. This is an exclusive opportunity to launch a product with the vendor. Either choose your own product idea or have the vendor create one with you. As I said earlier, it's strictly limited to 5 persons. These are all entirely up to you if you want to pick this up. But the front end, I must tell you, is very important if you want to scale up your profits quickly in the internet marketing space. So, if you think this product is for you, simply click on the link in the description below and it will take you to our bonus page. You scroll down, click on this button and it will take you to the Puma product sales page that will look exactly like this. Scroll down, click on any of these buttons and you have access to buy this product. So, if you have found this video useful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell notification and like this video so that when next we upload review videos as this, your attention will be drawn to it. Thank you for watching our Puma products review video to the end. See you in the next.